So this is how you make realistic bubbles. You need 3 different nuances and a cap that gives you the most control. Start by making a circle with the middle nuance. When you're pulling the circle, try to aim for the middle at the entire time, so you're actually rotating your hand. Add some lines in the bottom and in the top. Also, where you're using this effect of having one sharp edge on one side and then the fading part on the other side. Then you take the darker nuance and dust it inside. And some to the side of the bubble, because that's where you want the shadow to be, the cast shadow. So it's like I'm trying to make this bubble just again here. I'm also pulling some sharper lines. Now take the lightest color and pull the circle again using the same method. Now take your white and make some sharp edges with the light coming from here. We have our drop cast shadow here, so now the light needs to come from here to make it realistic. I've added some larger sprays in the bottom to enhance the 3D effect. And I'll do that in the top as well. A little bit in the middle. So that's how you paint a realistic bubble.